Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. They are animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first animal is a dog. This is a dog.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
A dog.
On his farm he had
The next one is a cow. This is a cow.
there, here, there,
A cow is a farm animal.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next one is rhino. This is rhino. A rhino is a wild animal. The next one is a cat. This is a cat.
Here and there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
This is a tiger. A tiger.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next one is a panda. This is a panda.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. A leopard. This is a leopard.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A hen. This is a hen.
Sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a
Gorilla. This is gorilla.